Okay, 8th class, your first revision test has been done. Okay. Yes, I have sent in morning all the revision tests. These all are checked and sent to you on your WhatsApp. Okay. And now we are going to prepare for the second revision test. Okay. So in second revision test in grammar, we have syllabus, that is active passive voice. That is a very important topic. Do it very, very carefully. In class 9th and 10th, also this topic is going to be repeated. But if your foundations will be strong, if your base will be strong, only then you will be able to understand active passive voice in class 9th and 10th also. Okay. So I'm going to start from the very beginning, the rules of active passive voice. So all of you look at the blackboard very, very carefully. Okay. And now if I find any kind of problem in 8th B, I'm going to send you out those who are going to create problems. I don't want to listen to anybody. What is Mandeep ma'am saying? So tell him to keep. But don't interrupt and don't create disturbance. Listen carefully. You all should have pens in your hands. Notebooks should be with you and write down all the details. Active and passive. In active and passive, I have told you 2 times earlier also that subject becomes object and object becomes subject. Okay, and the change of the tense for that you have to follow some of the rule. Okay, here active becomes passive. Duster, where is duster? For example, one sentence is given, I come in. Come in 2 बार बोल दी है मैंने. I open the door. I is your subject and door is your object. So when we will be changing active into passive, what you will be doing? You will do subject will be change into object and object will change into subject. So what you will do? Subject will become here object. Object will here become subject. I will become me. And door the here I opened the door. The door opened by me. The door was opened by me. So how will you change subject into object? For that also you have to make one table and you have to learn this. What is that? I will change into me. You will change into you. We will change into they will change into he will change into she will change into and it will change into clear? Anjani, I will check and send you. Okay, Anjani? So I will change into me, you will change into you, we will change into us. And they will change into them and he will change into him. She will change into her and it will change into. So these are the rules of active passive voice that you have to keep in your mind. And again I'm telling you this thing. Earlier also I have told you, whatever the topic which is discussed in class, you keep all the notes at one place. Because during your revision test preparation, or during your exam preparation, there is no need to search here and there. You should have all the material at one place so that at a glance, you can understand what is being done in class, what is revised. Suppose if you look at this table at a glance, it was made revised in class. So within 1 minute, you'll be able to recall all these things. Clear? So afterwards, I'm going to discuss rules with you. Have you written this? After writing, just keep on revising. And non-serious students, their parents will be called today and they will sit at home. So नाम क्या है? आरिश? Adish. अच्छा. You also have fallen in that category. I'm noticing. Don't think if I'm turned and you are creating disturbance. Don't think that it is not being noticed by me. Each and every student is being noticed by me. But yes, today's solution will be found. Then we have given first form in active voice. This first form will change into is a plus verb, third form plus by. Write down the sentences of rule 1. Tell me. I accept my mistake, you return my books. I accept my mistake. Follow only this rule. Rule number 1, verb first form is given. And this one first form is given, it will be changed into is MR plus third form plus by. Lavish. माय कहाँ जाएगा? Here my mistake is an object and I is a subject. So my mistake will come in the beginning. It will be treated as a subject. So my mistake is accepted by me. My mistake is accepted by me. You return my books. My books are returned by. So this was the very first rule, that when first form is given, it will be changed into is MR plus verb third form plus by. After writing this rule, write down these two examples. कहाँ पे verb first form second में change हो रही है? Verb first form है. Accept है. Accept first form ही है. तो जब फर्स्ट फॉर्म को अब पैसिव में चेंज करेंगे, इज एम आर के साथ हमेशा थर्ड फॉर्म यूज होती है जब वो एक्टिव टू पैसिव बनता है. डोंट मिक्स इट विद नरेशंस. क्लियर? नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेक रूल सेकंड. राइट डाउन रूल नंबर सेकंड. इन रूल नंबर सेकंड, suppose you have been given second form. You have been given second form. So this second form will change into was verb plus third form plus by. Now write down this rule and write down the example. Example I'm going to share with you. I accepted my mistake and you returned my books. Now change it by following the rule of this. Take your time, solve, then I will be discussing it with you. solved. Online students, type in chat box. You tell me, Arish. Yes. My mistake was क्या हो गया? My mistake was accepted by me. Ishan. My books were returned by you. Yes. My were returned by. Here past tense is given, accepted and returned. So whenever you have been given past tense, so how will you change? You will be writing was were plus verb third form plus. Am I clear? Now write down rule number 3rd. I'm going so slow and I'm telling you in a very easy method, so that when you will revise at a glance, you can understand this is rule, these are the example. This is rule, these are the example. Okay. One student is creating disturbance in my class and I am going to complain about that child in office. He will be attending the classes online. Let me finish with my topic. Now write down continuous tense rule. I have mixed both the rules. Whenever you have been given is MR was or verb, then verb first form plus आ जाएगा वो भी. Is MR was verb, then is MR was verb. It will be written according to subject. As a student of 8th class, you should know with he, she, it, is, I, am, you, we, they, plural are, with past was verb. And whenever ing is given, and we are going to change active into passive, so this ing will be changed into been. This ing will be changed into. Don't get confused. Don't get confused between being and been. There is a lot of difference between these two words. So many students do they in a hurry. In place of being, they write down been. Okay, then marks will be deducted. Not even a half credit will be given to you. Whole of the sentence will be considered wrong. So you will be writing is a mar was were, is a mar was were in place of ing, being. Clear? For example, I am. You solve on your own and don't shout my ma'am, ma'am, ma'am. Grow up. Solve on your own. I can ask any of the child to tell me the answer. I am teaching you. He is flying a kite. You were writing an essay. She was dictating you. She was so tell me, I am teaching you. I am teaching you. Ananya. Yes, I am teaching you. So here you will become subject and I will be changed into me. You are Who spoke teached? Teach, third form will be teach, third form will be teach. Teach, third form will be in your free time you can learn verbs. You can borrow books of class 4th and 5th class students. You can borrow from library. I am teaching you, you are being taught by me. He is flying a kite. Let me ask from online, those who are lying on their couch, taking rest. All of you get up, online students. Tell me this answer. Anjani, you tell me. Yes, Anjani? Tell me its answer. Yes, Anjani? See? Suruchi. Wait. Suruchi. See, Suruchi is not responding. She has sent me a message. Why is she not answering? Suruchi, your answer is right, but why are you not keeping your camera on and telling me the answer? Anjani, I am waiting for your answer also. Anjani. These are good students. I don't know why are they not responding. Yes, Anjani. You have gone to beaches. Beach is shown on your ID. I know virtual background. I know. I'm only making laugh. You are in Goa? Tell me answer. You can speak from your Goa. Online have liberty that they can lie at home, lie on their couch, sofa, beds. Offline are also trying to lie down. What should I do with such students? So in chat box, write down your answers. All are writing correct answer. Yes. So he is flying a kite. A kite. A kite is being a kite is being flown by a kite is being flown by you were writing an essay. ऐसे कितने हैं सिंगुलर और प्लूरल then yes you were writing an essay एक मिनट an essay being I will add being will be added by me an essay was being an essay was being written by you. An essay was being written by you. One thing I want to tell you, when I was checking your diary entry, so I have given you marks 7, 6 out of 8. Like that, I think 5 out of 6. So I have deducted one mark. Don't call me in evening to ask, ma'am, why 1 mark is deducted. It is deducted, I want to tell you, because of less expressions. Because it was not seeming like a diary entry. In your diary entry, there should be expressions. Only then you will be able to score full marks in writing skill. So don't call me at odd times and ask me, ma'am, 1 mark is deducted. Tell me the reason. I have told you in online class. 1 mark is deducted because I did not find any expressions. For that, 1 mark is being deducted. An essay was being written by you. She was dictating you. She was dictating you. She was dictating you. Last one. Tell me this answer. She was dictating you. Bache, rule is written in front of you. Rule is written in front of you. Tell me. Tell me. You will change into. You will change into. You किसमें change होगा? Keep your mask down. You will change into. You. बोलो फिर. She was dictating you. With you will be using was or were. हैं? You के साथ was बोलते हैं. आगे आ जाओ. With you we will be using was or were. Were. माइक ला दूं. You were. उसके बाद क्या नेम है इसका? आगे से तुम यहाँ बैठना, तुम लास्ट में चले जाओ. आ जाओ यहाँ. You go at last. You sit here. Yes, you were. Keep your hands out of your pocket. You are standing in front of a teacher. Tell me its answer. She was dictating you. Come here, sit down. Where is your notebook, pen, pencil? Go and bring. Huh? Okay, that's why you were sitting idle in class. You could borrow one of the page. Huh? मुझे इसका आंसर बताओ. She was dictating you. ये देखो सही स्टूडेंट्स का हाल. माधव बाहरी. टुडे आई हैव कम टू नो. कहता किसी ने पेज ही नहीं दिया. मैं फ्री बैठा हूँ क्लास में. मेरे पे एहसान करके इसका आंसर बताना. She was dictating you. You were. पेज लेके लिखना स्टार्ट कर. You were being dictated by her. So this will be the answer. You have to write down being in between. Clear? Now write down next rule. See, I should treat them as a student of 4th, 5th class. I have to arrange pen pencils before them. If they don't have, I have to borrow from their friends. Because they are having very shy nature, they will not ask. Now rule number 4. Very simple. I have also mingled present and past. In present we use has and have. In past we use had. So whenever in the active voice has, have, had is written, and along with that verb third form is written. So what will you change? With has and had. With has, have and had. What you will be adding? Will be adding been plus verb third form plus. We'll be adding this thing. For example, I have done my work. I have done my work. I have done my work. If it is present, it will remain present only. Present will not change into past. Present will not change into past. With has, have. According to subject, we will be using has, have. Keep this thing in your mind. See the way they speak. My work. Now my work is a singular or plural? Singular. So with singular, you are supposed to use has or have. So my work has been. We'll be adding been. Has been done by. My work has been done by. Clear? Am I clear? Yes, ma'am. So write down this so that I can give you more options. She had already finished the race. सोच लो एक बार फिर से. Think again. The race had already been. The race had already been finished by. The race had already been finished by her. Clear? So this is the way to do these has, have, had sentences. Clear? So jot down this rule and write down all these examples also. Relate with the examples. See how the rule has been used. When has, have, singular and plural is given. According to that, you will be writing but with had. Had is used with every subject, whether it is he, she, it, whether it is singular, whether I, you, we, they, plurals. With everything we are supposed to use had. Clear? Now shall I move to next rule? If this rule is clear to you. See, there are different kind of models. Tell me which are they? Okay. Will, shall, may, can. So when such kind of things are given, and with all, what do we use? Verb. And when these change into passive form, so will, shall, may, can. Might, ought to, all these will remain same. These models will remain same. It means in place of will remain. In place of shall will be there. In place of may will be there. In place of can will be there. It means we are not supposed to change any of the model. It will remain same. And with in place of would, it will be written same. Might will also remain same, and ought to will also remain same. You have to do only one simple thing. Then when all the models are used, with that you are supposed to use only be. You are supposed to use only be, and with that verb. Very simple example I'm taking. You can do it. You can do it. So what will be its answer? This it will become subject and this you will become object. You can do it. It can be done by you. It can be done by you. So it can be done by you. So you will be writing like this. So concept is clear? Yes, sir. Shall I take one more example? Yes, if you have written this. Write down one more example. You may solve this puzzle. You may solve this puzzle easily. This puzzle देखो आ गया ना भाई आंसर. He has used may into might and we are doing active passive voice. You may solve this puzzle easily. This puzzle wrong. Again wrong. Maybe. This puzzle may be solved by you easily. Clear? So keep these notes at one place, revise it thoroughly.